Congratulations pala on taking the next step towards your professional career with the upcoming November 2024 CE licensure exam. I am Engineer Belinda de la Cruz, your host for today. And again, I'm one of the full-time lecturers here in Mega Review and Tutorial Center. We understand no that preparing for a board exam is medyo nakakatakot. We're here to provide you with the support and guidance na kailangan ninyo para kayo yung magwagi, di ba? Your journey won't be easy, but believe me, sobrang bilis ng panahon. Parang kaka-orient ka lang namin sa previous na batch. Another set of engineers na naman yung andito. Basta stay disciplined lang, be responsible sa lahat ng gagawin ninyo. I would like to greet also my co-reviewers na present dito. Sobrang daming andito, no? Si Sir Julian, good afternoon. Si Sir Paul, sige, mention ka na lang din lahat na. Si Sir Francis, si Sir Jay, good afternoon. Si Sir Angelo, si Sir Jonro, si Boss Junli, si Sir Bruce, si Master TJ, si Ma'am Trisha, and of course our review president. Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, Ma'am Bell.
All right. So I think now is the perfect time for us to meet, no? Yung mag-ano sa atin, mag-orient. 'Di ba? Kasi yung purpose natin today is to have our orientation for your online review. And I believe na-meet yun na siya. Okay? Our veteran design structural reviewer, lecturer, none other than our review president, Dr. Amelia T. Marquez.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, muli magandang hapon, Ma'am Bell. And of course, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. As what Ma'am Bell made mention a while ago, congratulations for having this good step in your life, and you are ready to have the online review program, and we believe that you're going to prepare yourselves so that by the time you take your real board exam, surely you get your license. But of course, in having our online review program, we need to give you guidance and the right flow. And this is the reason why we have our Zoom meeting today. And this is our orientation for your online review. Of course, I cannot go directly to what will be the steps. How do we do our online review? Of course, you need to know first what should be the subjects you need to consider in your review. So at this point in time, I would like to have share screen muna sa inyo. And I want to give you the subjects first covered in our board exam. And still, these are the updated subjects, and I will do it only mabilis sa inyo, anak, no? Well, of course, we still have the 3 board subjects for your November 2024 CE board exam. Well, of course, we still have the 3 board subjects for your So, okay na tayo, no? Well, board subject 1, ito na yung title natin ngayon, no? Applied Mathematics, Surveying, Principles of Transportation and Highway Engineering, and of course, Construction Management and Methods. Ito yung sabi natin, ang dami na ng coverage. And your examiner here is Engineer or Dr. Pericles P. Dakay. Now, what are really the subjects covered here? If you go over what is being posted in our PRC website, you will notice the first subject is calculus. But of course, we cannot go directly to calculus without having the right background in our basic mathematics. So you need to know first your algebra, trigo, and geometry. Now, if you remember, for 7 days, if you join the Ultra Mega Fundamentals review course, we filled in the gap and we gave you the bridge course and preparing you properly to have a right flow in your mathematics review. And we gave you the basic concepts in algebra, trigo, and geometry. Nag-join ba kayo doon sa ating Ultra Mega Fundamentals? Hello? Nag-join ba kayo? Meron ba akong kausap ngayong hapon? So, if you join this, nagbigay tayo, the reason why we gave this para nga maganda yung flow nyo sa inyong review. We cannot go directly to calculus. Of course, you need to understand first the basic math, no? Subjects before proceeding to calculus. Kaya I hope kayo ay nag-join. Well, for those who missed the opportunity, nandyan pa yung ating lecture sa ating Ultra Mega FB group. And ang sabi ko, don't delete up to June 10. Siguro sobrang oras na yon, no? Just in case you missed other lectures, very, very important lectures, go over with these lectures nasa FB group Ultra Mega pa so that you have the right flow. Because kung titignan natin yung table of specifications given by PRC, ang makikita nyo agad doon, calculus. So expect we have algebra, trigonometry before we go to calculus. Then, we also have differential equations, no? Well, kung titignan nyo yung column na to, why you see 1.33? Actually, we have 75 items for board subject 1. And to make it 100%, every item corresponds to 1.33. Of course, you're very good in math. 1.33 times 75 equals 100%. Kaya yung column 2 na to na nakikita nyo sa aking screen ay yung weight every item. So we have also differential equations. So expect na meron kayong modules sa differential equations. And then of course, we have engineering data analysis. And kung meron kayo sa college nyo na tinatawag na statistics and probability, eto rin yun. So, meron tayo na modules para dito. And then of course, we have numerical methods for engineers. So expect modules falling under this subject. And of course, we have the physics. Okay? Physics for, ayan, i-ano ko muna, yung aking, yan, running low na daw. Okay. My laptop. Ayan. So, we have physics for engineers. So, expect na meron tayong module about physics for engineers. And then, very popular subject. This is your engineering economics. And of course, we have our, ito na yung dinagdag natin, no? We have construction, surveying, and layout. Masyado ng broad, masyado ng yung coverage ng math talaga, you need to prepare talaga in your review. So, mayroon tayong module dito about construction, surveying, and layout. And then, of course, you will meet a module about materials for construction, still falling under board subject 1. And then you have highway engineering. So, part ng highway and transportation engineering natin. Of course, we're going to discuss this in details with you. What I'm giving you are only the topics covered in your board subject 1. Well, of course, very, very popular topic now. Kung magtanong ang bata, ma'am, meron po ba kayong course sa module nyo? Akala nila ang kino-cover na lang ngayon ay puro course. Pag may nag-enroll, tinatanong, meron po ba kayong module sa course? Because we have now construction, occupational safety, and health. Of course, the answer is precisely we have. And we're going to give you complete review modules with this topic. Then, eto na, transportation engineering, masyadong malawak na, and then we're going to give you modules under this transportation engineering. Now, the question is, in your college days, are you very good in your quantity surveying? Well, if the answer is yes, so you are very good in your estimate, no? Say construction estimates and so on, eto na po yun. So you have the construction estimates, siguro naman, na-meet natin yan sa ating college days. We are referring to different specifications and plans, and we do the construction estimates. Ang tawag dito ay quantity surveying. So we are dealing with resources like labor, material, and equipment. Okay? Dito na lang tayo mag-uusap pagbigay ng module natin. Well, we do have also about construction principles. Ito na yung masyadong malawak, no, na ginawa ni Dr. Dakay. Parang nawawala na yung maraming mathematics kasi ang dami na niyang dinagdag. And we talk about construction trades and specialties. Ngayon sa board exam, pinag-uusapan na rin yung plumbing, pinag-uusapan na rin yung architectural aspect, like we talk of doors, windows, and then selecting finishing materials for construction na pang-architectural aspect talaga to. But what can we do if it is covered in our table of specifications? And then of course, perhaps intro of your electrical design, sabi niya. Then, are you very good in your construction equipment and methods? If the answer is yes, you're very good in your ground engineering, okay, methods. So kasama po itong topic na to sa ating board subject 1. You see? Masyado ng very wide yung ating coverage. Kaya dapat talagang mag-enroll ka sa Right Review Center na makover ito. And of course, we have 1.33 times 75 items, 100%. Now, in the real board exam, for the overall rating, board subject 1 is 35% of the overall rating. Then moving on, we have board subject 2, and the title is Hydraulics and Principles of Geotechnical Engineering. Of course, you know about fluid mechanics and hydraulics. Ayan, ito, paborito nyo mga to. Well, number of items for board subject 2 are ano lang ito, konti lang, 50 items lang ito. Kaya makikita nyo, every item corresponds to 2%. Kung 1 item lang ang ibibigay dito, di 2% lang siya. Ngayon, kung 50 items times 2%, 100. Kung sa topic na to, magbibigay ng 8 items, di 16% ang binibigay niya sa topic na to. Ganun lang yun, yung ibig sabihin ng table na to. So, ito yung topics natin. And then, bagong subject, itong water supply na to, dinagdag. And I'm sure naman, kinover ito sa ating undergrad, no? Well, of course, part 2 will be your soil mechanics or what you call geotechnical engineering. So, you know these topics. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng kompletong modules dito. And of course, ang kanilang talagang in-emphasize dito yung effect ng foundation engineering sa ating geotechnical engineering, no? So again, I said a while ago, 50 items. Every item corresponds to 2%. 50 times 2% equals 100%. Now, in your overall rating for your board exam, 30% of board subject 2. So yung board subject 1, 35%, board subject 2 is 30%. Then last subject is paborito kong subject. Of course, this is what you call PSAD or Principles of Structural Analysis and Design. You're very good in basic structural engineering, and the first one is engineering mechanics. Okay, so ito yon. Again, 75 items ito. Kaya bawat item, 1.33. So kung 3 items ang ibibigay dito sa topic na ito, di 3 times 1.33 rounded up to 4%. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng table na to sa PRC, no? And then I'm sure you're very good in SMAT or what you call strength of materials. And then of course, theory of structures or what you call structural analysis. So bibigyan po namin kayo ng kumpletong modules dito. And we're going to start our design subjects now. Reinforced concrete design. So we are covering both WSD and USD, and of course our pre-stressed concrete design. So be ready with modules here, no? And then for steel design, we have steel beams and columns. Ayan. So meron tayo dito yung LRFD natin and so on. Maganda po modules na binibigay ng Mega Review dito. Then of course, we have our steel connections. So ang title doon ay Joints and Connections of Members. Of course, magaling kayo dito, no? Bolted, riveted, welded connections. So expect na meron po tayong modules dito. And then we have the foundation design or footings analysis and design. So, meron tayong shallow foundation, we have the spread footing, and then the deep foundation, so footing on piles or what you call pile foundation, no? Well, if we have construction topics falling under board subject 1, we also have construction topics under board subject 3. Kaya lang iba ang kino-cover, no? Naka-focus ito sa ating materials and testing, specifically concrete, paborito na topic ni, well, I forgot to mention, no, kanina, ang examiner nyo pala sa board subject 2, Engineer or Dr. Romeo Esteñero, and your examiner for board subject 3, Engineer Proxedes Bernardo. And siya po ang ating chairman for the CE Board of Examiners, yung ating examiner sa PISAN. So ang paborito niya na topic falling under construction, yung ating mga materials and testing, at nakafocus siya sa mga concrete mixtures. I'm pretty sure hindi na makagraduate nang hindi nyo alam yung iba't ibang concrete mixtures. Well, at any rate, Mega Review will give you, okay, the right modules for this topic to prepare you in your board exam ng tama. So, ito po yung kino-cover natin sa ating board exam. And for me, ang right orientation ay, alam niyo muna yung kino-cover natin na topic. Okay? So, ayan. And then, of course, mag-usap na tayo, mag-stop na. Yan. If these are the topics covered, and of course, our methodology is virtual or what you call online review, how are we going to deliver this? Okay. If you remember, when you enrolled, lalo na yung maagang nag-enroll, ang tanong, ano po ba, paano po ba ang delivery nyo sa online? Kung maalala nyo, ang sagot ng tumatanggap sa ating page account, ang sabi, well, we have our pre-recorded lecture videos. And then, ilalagay natin sa ating website kung ano yung date of publishing, ipapublish namin, i-activate namin para panoorin nyo. But I would like to inform you, in our previous meeting, pinaganda namin ang delivery ngayon ng online. Okay? We will deliver live. Did you hear me? So, yung sinabi namin sa inyo, pinaganda namin ngayon. Magkakaroon po tayo ng live module discussion. And we're going to have it via Zoom. Kagaya nito, via Zoom. So that you will have live interactions with the concerned reviewer for that particular review module. Okay? Narinig nyo ba yon? So, ang isang review module ay pinaganda namin yan. We're going to give you 2 parts for 1 review module. Example, meron kayong algebra. So tomorrow, your first review module will be algebra. No? Dinivide namin ang isang review module into 2 parts. So magkakaroon tayo ng 2 reviewers in 1 review module. Roughly, ang delivery ng isang reviewer ay 2 hours, roughly, estimated time of delivery. So, isang reviewer, 2 hours, and then another reviewer for the remaining 2 hours. So, roughly, no, ay 4 hours. So, paano namin i-deliver ito? Okay. Ang sabi ko, magkakaroon tayo ng live discussion. I hope everybody is listening. So, isi-send namin ang Zoom link sa araw na magbibigay tayo ng live discussion. So, magbibigay po tayo ng live discussion MWF. Kung mag-iba man ng schedule for very, very valid reason. Siguro, bibihira lang mangyari yon kung talagang kailangan lang. Then you will be informed in your FB group. So, dapat yung FB group nyo from time to time, tinitignan nyo kasi Our FB group is our avenue for our formal communication with you. Any announcements to be made, nasa FB group online natin. Kaya sanayin nyo na magbukas kayo palagi doon, magbasa kayo doon. Now, normally speaking, ang ating live discussion will be done every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay? But we're going to give you a copy of the review module to be delivered live. Now, paano kayo makakakuha ng kopya ng review module na yon? Example, review module Algebra Part 1 and then Algebra Part 2. We're going, siyempre hindi tayo anak nakikita. So, virtual lang tayo. So, hindi namin kayo mabigyan ng hard copy. Ayan, obvious naman siguro yon. So, paano kayo magkakaroon ng kopya ng review module? Maganda siguro while listening to the live review module discussion, you also have a copy of that particular review module. Okay? Mamaya na po ang tanong, masyado kang cool ka lang anak. Cool ka lang. Okay? Cool ka lang. Darating ako sa tanong mo. Cool lang. Cool lang kayo. Ayan. Yung tanong mo, sasabihin ko yan mamaya. Relax. Okay? Relax lang. So, magkakaroon tayo ng live discussion 8 to 10 roughly for part 1 and then siguro mga konting break lang. Susunod na po ang live review module discussion for part 2. So, dito mangyayari sa Zoom na to. Kaya lang, magandang nakikinig tayo sa live discussion if you have the copy of that particular review module. So, paano tayo makakakuha ng kopya ng ating review module? We're going to upload. Okay? We're going to upload the review modules in your FB group. So, kung mag-uumpisa yung discussion na una na part 1 ng 8 o'clock, 7:30, naka-upload na po yan sa inyong FB group. So, it is up to you to find a way on how you can secure a copy of that particular review module. Perhaps if you have your own computer and printer, then you do the printing and have a hard copy. And ito yung kopya mo, no? Para dun sa particular review module na yon. Ganun din. So, dalawa ang ipiprint nyo. Now, it is up to you kung nag-upload kami, ayaw nyo namang magkaroon ng hard copy, edi ikaw na ang masunod sa sarili mo. Kung gusto mo, makinig ka lang sa concerned reviewer sa live discussion niya. After all, sinusulat naman niya, nakapost din naman doon yung mga problems, edi pwede na rin. Pero I suggest, maganda pa rin na meron kayong ganito kasi pag kinompile nyo, maganda, organize kayo anak, no? Pag kinompile nyo, ang mga review modules, may hard copies kayo, maganda, na-organize nyo para from time to time, balik-balikan nyo. Okay? So, yon ang ating live discussion. Now, after giving the live discussion, eto na, yung sagot sa tanong mo. Yung nyo, nire-record namin. So, naka-record yan sa Zoom. And then, aayusin namin yan. So, ilalagay namin yung recorded, okay, na live module discussion, ilalagay natin sa ating website. Okay na ba yung nagtanong? So, nakalagay yan sa website. Once na in-upload namin yan sa website, pwede niyong panoorin ulit yan kahit anong oras, anong araw. Okay. But, ino-note nyo to ha. Hindi tayo mag-aaway dito ha. Baka mamaya, kung ano na naman ilalagay-lagay nyo sa yung mga iba, kung ano-ano nilalagay sa social media, pero silang may kasalanan. I'm telling you, Pag nilagay namin sa website, anak, ito, magbibigay kami ng disiplina sa inyo na kailangan ma-follow nyo yung timetable nyo. Tama ba? Okay? So, more likely, yung sa website, pag nilagyan kasi namin ng maraming lecture videos ang website, hindi kami mag-e-erase kagaya nung nakaraan, masyadong bumigat ang website. Okay, yung storage talaga ay nagiging problema. Minsan ay nagkakaroon ng technical problem. So, I am considering na after 2 weeks, take note of this, after 2 weeks, nag-attend na kayo sa live, meron pa kayong 2 linggo na balik-balikan nyo yon na nasa website. So, after 2 weeks, mawawala na po yon sa website. Okay na ba? Ngayon, kung nagkaroon ka ng problem sa live discussion, pwede naman mag-refer ka na lang sa website kung hindi ka naka-attend. Kasi mapapanood mo rin naman kung anong nangyari sa live discussion. Well, of course, I am encouraging, sana lang kung pwede na ka, I do encourage everyone to please join the live discussion para magkaroon kayo ng live interactions with the reviewer. Because pwede kayong magtanong doon, pwede yung tagtarin ng tanong ang reviewer. Huwag kayong mag-pretend. Kung meron kayong hindi naintindihan doon, erase nyo doon. And I'm pretty sure the concerned reviewer is more than willing and happy to answer lahat ng gusto nyong itanong sa kanya. Kaya kung pwede lang, attend kayo doon sa live discussion. So MWF, okay? And then after that, ilalagay natin sa website para pwede nyo ring panoorin. Available sa website kahit anong araw, anong oras, okay, sa 2 linggo. Clear? And then after that, no, mag-exam po kayo agad sa website, yung binigay na review module discussion, pwede na kayo agad pumunta sa website natin and you have to take the exam module exercises. Okay? Yung module exercises, nandun lang for as long as your account is there, hindi po nabubura yan. So, mag-exam kayo doon, mamaya pwede kayong magtanong, andito yung ating website developer mamaya sa technical matter, pag kinlik nyo doon, ang exam nyo, bibigay niya ang score mo kasi checkin agad, and then ang maganda, ibibigay ang solution. If you want to master this topic, di balik-balikan mo. Okay? Halimbawa, nag-live tayo ng Monday, algebra. Kinabukasan, Tuesday, pwede kayong pumunta ulit sa website. Mag-exam kayo at ang tawag doon sa exam na yon, module exam. Naka-arrange po lahat yan sa website natin. Now, Tuesday, kinabukasan, available na yan ng 8:00 ng umaga. Pero, ang maganda sa atin sa website, you have your own, okay, body clock. Just in case, ready na yan ng 8 o'clock, hindi ka pa, wala ka pa anak sa mood na mag-exam, edi hanapin mo, anong oras ba na nasa mood ka na mag-exam. The exam is just there in our website. Kung anong oras mo gustong kuhanin yung exam na yon, kuhanin mo. Hindi po nabubura yan, nandyan lang yan. Gusto mo, balik-balikan mo pa yung exam na yon. So, ganun din, pag kinlik mo yung submit, checkin ng website, ang exam mo, bibigay ang score mo, at ibibigay ang solution. Okay? So, nasa iyo na kung kailan mo gustong mag-exam. Pero, I am advising you na mag-exam na kayo agad sa topic na Module 1. Okay? Ayan. Oh, kinoment ako dito, no? Okay? Sabi niya, dapat daw English lang. Ayan. Ano pala ang Zoom, no? So, I should speak in English lang ba? Ganun ba yun? Ma'am Bel? Are you there? Ma'am Bel?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes. sabi niya, confirm your speaking language. Do I need to just deliver in one language and I should give it in pure English lang? Is that so?
Okay lang
Hindi
ata
naman.
magtagalog.
Okay, diyan din naman. Okay. So, ayun. I am recommending you have to take the module exam according to the scheduled date. Kasi anak, you have to consider this, no? If you don't take the exam on time, example, module 1, you have to take it Tuesday and then you what? You postpone it and you want to take it at a later date. The effect is you have another, okay, module, say you have trigonometry. And of course, for that particular review module, trigonometry, you will be having another module exam. So I suggest you have to follow the right timetable. So Monday, you listen to the delivery, then module exercises, then Tuesday, you have to take the exam. Roughly, this is more than 2 hours. Oh, siguro that depends on the topics and level of difficulty of the questions. Pero nakikita ko mostly 2 hours lang yun. Then find time. Find time in taking this on that scheduled, okay, date. Because you have other review modules pa, and every review module, you know that may corresponding module exam. That is only a reminder. That is only my suggestion. But of course, ikaw yan. It is up to you. But for a good timetable, you have to follow, okay, our review program accordingly. Because we designed this for you. So our recommendation is do not deviate in that design review program for you para yung timetable mo will be followed accordingly, hindi ka anak magabol sa bandang dulo. Okay? So ganun lang ang flow natin. So next meeting, Wednesday, we'll be having another review module live discussion, part 1 and part 2. Kung ang subject ay trigonometry, you have to attend. And then after that delivery, the recorded lecture video will be posted or uploaded in our website for you to go over and over again. How many times you want to see the replay there. And then the next day, that will be Thursday, will be what? Module exam. And of course, after the module delivery, you have the module exercises for that particular. Ganun lang, paulit-ulit lang. So Friday, we have another live. Then Saturday, module exam in the website. And then what will happen on Sunday? Sunday will be weekly exam. So saan po tayo mag-exam? Sa website tayo mag-exam. Okay? Available yon ng 8 o'clock, pero again, it is up to you kung anong oras ka gustong mag-exam. Now, what will be the coverage of that weekly exam? Whatever the topics discussed for the week will be the topics to be given for that weekly exam, for that particular week. So, kung i-cover natin, simula bukas ay algebra, okay, then trigo, no? Kung anong ibigay doon, yon ang ibibigay natin. Okay, for that week. Ganun lang. So, paulit-ulit lang tayo. In other words, we have live, then we have website. Kaya dapat explore nyo na anak yung website kung paano yon. Well, I invited, no, mamaya yung ating website developer to join us para sa mga tanong nyo mamaya. And then, meron din tayong binibigay na exam ng tawag ay assessment exam. Okay? Assessment exam. Kung makarami na tayong topics sa math, then we're going to post in your FB group. We're going to schedule the assessment exam, the time, the date, the time, and the topics covered. Because the assessment exam will not be given in the website. We're going to use another apps. Ito po yung test portal. So first assessment exam natin, papaliwanag natin kung paano nyo gagamitin itong test portal na to. And this is for our assessment exam. Okay? And then, pagtapos na ito yung dinagdag namin sa batch na to. No? Pagtapos na lahat ng topics sa Board Subject 1, magbibigay kami ng Mastery Examination. Okay? Mastery Examination. So, bibigay namin ito sa test portal din. Para tingnan namin kung gaano na kayo kalalim. Yan. Now, pag nagbigay tayo ng mga exams, siyempre inaalam natin sa exams nyo kung saan kayo anak nagkamali, no? So we go over with the statistics for every exam we give, kung saan ang maraming nagkamali, very tough yung question. And of course, what did we say nung sa marketing natin? Inaalam namin, we have to know your weaknesses. And we can only see your weaknesses through your examinations. So I encourage everyone to please take every exam we give, because for every exam you take, we're going to consider your result, and from there, we will know your weaknesses. And knowing your weaknesses, we are more than happy to help you strengthen all these weaknesses by giving you group study. Okay? Well, this is online. So obviously speaking, we're going to deliver also our group study via Zoom. No? So pwede naman kayong magtanong doon. Kaya, I suggest again, pag nagbigay tayo ng group study, huwag kayo anak magmalaki. For every group study we give, it is for you. Kasi alam namin yung kahinaan nyo, so i-discuss natin yung mga topics, mga particular items in every exam we give na maraming nagkamali. So you have to attend. Eh ma'am, magaling na po ako. Do I need to attend? Yes, I am still inviting you. Why? Baka nakuha mo yung solution mo doon, mahaba naman. Kung ipapakita ng reviewer, mas madali ang method ng reviewer na papakita sa'yo. So, it is another, okay, help on your part. So, whether your score is mababa, mataas, dapat umattend. Okay? So, yon ang gusto namin na sabihin sa inyo na you follow our design. Well-designed. Okay, CE, review program para sa inyo. Akala ng iba, ang online review ay hindi maganda. Maganda rin ang online review, anak. Kaya lang, it is a matter of discipline on your part. Ayan, kayo ang, if only you follow our online review program accordingly, napakaganda ng aming online review. It is really a well-balanced quality online review, okay, program designed for you. But, may but ako dyan, never deviate. Huwag kayong tatamad-tamad. Kasi, pag tatamad-tamad ka sa online, ayun, yun ang problema natin. Tapos, hindi ka papalarin, ang sasabihin mo, hindi maganda ang review program na binigay ng Mega Review and Tutorial Center sa'yo. Okay? Huwag naman ganon. Kasi lahat ng aming ginagawa, pinag-iisipan namin yan, gusto naming makatulong sa inyo. Kagaya ngayon, during your enrollment, ang alam nyo lang, pre-recorded lecture video on the website, pero nagdagdag kami ng live discussion para ma-meet namin kayo. Okay? Now, we are using different avenues pa, no? Aside from our FB group, kung meron po kayong technical problems, meron po tayong Mega Review Online Technical Support, meron pong sarili ang Cebu, and then meron ding Mega Review Online Technical Support ang Manila and Baguio. Okay? Kung saan. Yan. O kung saan kayo tatama doon, no? Ayan. So, magtanong lang kayo doon kapag may technical problem tayo sa website. Then, kung gusto nyong makausap pa palagi ang mga reviewers, okay, through chat, mayroon tayong link na binigay sa inyo sa Discord. Okay, so pasok kayo na doon sa Discord kasi sa Discord na yan, sa lobby, kanya-kanyang office ang bawat reviewer at pwede kayong magtanong doon anytime. Now, ang Discord natin, parang community yan. Kayo mismo ay nagsasagutan doon. Kayo mismo ay nagtatanungan. Tapos pag makita ng reviewers yan, ayun, sumasagot ang reviewers, nakikijoin sa usapan nyo doon. Kaya maganda rin na mag-join kayo sa Discord. I hope na receive nyo din yung link na yon at ready na tayo na magkwentuhan tungkol sa review nyo ha. Ang kwentuhan doon ha. Hindi natin gagamitin yun sa ibang bagay para sa review nyo, anak yan, no? In preparation to your board examination. Okay? So, yun po yung avenues na ginagamit natin. Of course, number one, our live is via Zoom. Then, the recorded lecture videos through website. And then, if you want to talk with a certain reviewer, you can go directly sa kanyang FB account. Kasi, alam nyo naman, kilala nyo. And sa website, makikita nyo naman. Pag nag-upload sila doon, bawat reviewer, makikita nyo sila doon sa website. Kaya alam nyo yung kanilang FB account. So sa kanilang messenger, wala pong supladong reviewer, kahit anong oras, basta gising pa sila, pwede kayong mag-chat doon. And then of course, mismo sa ating website, no? And then of course, yung Discord natin. Kaya marami tayong avenues kahit online na pwede tayong makipag-communicate with our reviewers just in case you have something to ask them in a particular topic sa kanilang review module. Okay? So, ganun lang yung flow natin. And then, at the end of the last review module, so patuloy pagbibigay natin group study, ini-schedule natin, and para maganda anak makita niyo yung flow ng review natin for the week, I will request the reviewer na assign na mag-post siya ng schedule sa FB group nyo. Para more or less, meron kayong idea kung ano yung topics na i-cover for the week. Okay? And then of course, at the end of the last review module, we will be giving you the final major exam for review. This is our pre-board examination 1. Online po tayo, kaya ibibigay din yan na online. Kaya magte-test portal tayo, but we're going to give it the PRC way, covering the 3 subjects. Okay, board subject 1, we're going to give you also 75 items, and we're going to follow the number of hours for this board subject 1, 5 hours. Okay, then followed by board subject 2, 50 items, 4 hours or 4 hours. And then board subject 3, we have 75 items also, good for 5 hours. Okay, so we're going to follow this. And this is the end of our online review. There will be separate orientation for our online refresher. Okay? So, at this point in time, para mamaya ang question and answer portion natin, I would like to give the floor to our website developer, just in case meron kayong gustong itanong or i-present niya. And ano bang naging problema niyo anak sa website? Yes, John Kenneth, are you raising your hand anak? John Kenneth, Engineer Balbido, you're raising your hand? Do you have something to ask? Pwede, you can unmute. Okay, kasi meron ka anak na naka-raise yung hand mo, okay. Well, before we proceed to question and answer portion, short lang naman anak, no? Ako munang magtatanong, no? Bago yung ating technical presentation. Klaro ba ang flow natin sa ating online? Hello? Clear ba yung flow natin sa ating online? Do you hear me? Can you give me, if just in case klaro sa'yo? You can have the chat box o kaya you give me a thumbs up sign. Pwede bang mag-thumbs up tayo anak dyan? Okay. Ayan, excited na yung iba, no? In fact, your reviewers are also very, very excited to meet you, no? In our live discussion. And for your information, I will also join you in every review module. Basta ang schedule ko will permit me to join kasi wala akong meeting. So, kasama nyo kayo. Ayan, yes, Mami, sabi. Thank you, Raymark, no? So, mamaya siguro, baka maisip nyo na you have something to ask. Pwede pa naman sa ating question and answer. You can ask, basta related, no, sa ating online review program, ha? And Sir Michael, are you ready to get the floor, sir? Andiyan ka na po ba? Nasa Zoom na ba natin si Sir Michael? Hello, Sir Michael? Sir Kel? Hello, Sir Kel? Ayan, abang inintay natin, no? Sir
Para ma-unmute si
Ma'am Bell, pwedeng i-unmute mo si Sir Michael kasi ikaw yung host, hindi daw niya matanggal. Paki-unmute mo siya, ma'am. Ma'am Bell?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes.
At ito po si Sir John Michael Nanyola po, ma'am.
Hindi.
Ma'am, okay na po. Good afternoon.
Okay na. Ito, sa Mega Admin. Ayan. Are you using that, Sir Michael? Yung Mega Admin, ikaw po ba?
Yes po, ma'am. Yun po
Yes,
yung
do you want to, may problema ba? Pwede bang i-present mo, sir, kung paano sila from
Yes po.
login and then paano sila pumunta sa mga exams natin and so on.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay? Oh, you have the floor. You may have your share screen ka siguro, sir.
Yes po, yes po.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Pwede na po, no?
Yes, go ahead, sir, please.
Okay. Okay, good afternoon po sa lahat. Mag-share screen lang ako. Ma'am Bell, maki-isuyo po.
Yes po, sir. Okay na po, sir.
Okay, Ma'am Bell. Thank you. Okay, good afternoon sa future engineers. Kahapon nag-start na po kaming mamigay ng link, no? So i-discuss ko lang paano yung mga steps para makapag-register kayo sa inyong mga account. So ito po yung una nating steps, okay? Once na ma-send po namin yung link sa mga email ninyo, okay? Makaka-receive kayo ng email na under administrator, which is Mega Review Online Tutorial, no? Then makikita nyo na kagad yung name nyo, no? Okay. Once na ma-receive ninyo ito, i-click nyo lang ito, okay? So once na click nyo, ang next nyan ay ito. Okay? Nakikita po ba?
Hello,
Yes,
sir Renato.
sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir,
nakikita po ba?
nakikita po yung senior na
Okay.
invitation, yung pinadala.
Okay. So, ito po yung marireceive ng mga ninyo mga future engineers, no? So, makikita nyo diyan, ito yung tinatawag nating invitation. Okay? So, sa loob ng invitation, makikita nyo yung pangalan nyo. Then, ito yung invitation code. Then, yung email address nyo na binigay sa amin. Then, yung registration link. Then, sa baba, nandito rin po yung mga natin. Okay? Mga Facebook group for technical support and Facebook group para sa online, Discord. Okay? Now, after nito, i-click nyo lang yung registration link. Okay? Once na na-click nyo yung registration link, okay, ang next nyan ay, ito po ang lilitaw sa screen niyo, no? Okay. Then, ilalagay nyo lang dito yung invitation code na binigay namin. Then, yung email address na binigay nyo rin sa amin. Hindi pwedeng ibang email address to. Once na binigay nyo yung email address, magkakaroon tayo ng error dito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung invitation code at yung email nyo, ay binded. Ibig sabihin sila talaga magkasama. So, hindi nyo siya pwedeng, in short, dayahin. Okay? Kung maglalagay ka ng invitation code dito at maglalagay ka ng ibang email address, hindi siya magiging, no? Hindi siya mag-work. Okay? Now, next, once na mailagay nyo lahat ng details dito sa verification account, i-click nyo lang yung verify. Okay? Then, next, lilitaw sa screen nyo yung change password. Okay? So, change password, create na kayo ng password na gusto nyo. Okay? So, mix to ng alphabet, alphanumeric, and special characters. So, pag sinabing alphabet, A to Z, number 0 to 9. Okay? Then, other special character, then yung asterisk, at sign, dollar sign. So, okay? Then, i-verify nyo lang, then send nyo lang yon. Okay? Sorry no, nakalimutan ko yung send na button dito. Okay? Click nyo lang yung send. Ang magiging next step ay ito na. Lalabas na ito sa screen nyo. Okay? So, pag lumabas na to sa inyong screen, dito nyo na ilalagay yung valid email address nyo na binigay sa amin. Okay? Or valid email address nyo na niregister nyo sa Mega Review Online Tutorial Center. Okay? Then, password. Ito yung bagong password na ginawa nyo. Then, click login. Okay. So, proceed lang ako dun sa actual na natin. Pag-log sa website. Okay? Ilalabas ko lang to. Okay? Once na mapasok nyo na yung password and email address, ito kagad ang lilitaw sa screen nyo. Okay? So, this is sample lang to. So, baka yung iba kasi makita yung name, no? So, ginamit ko lang yan kasi paborito kong artista yan. Okay? So, makikita nyo dito, sa left side, dito nyo makikita yung menu. So, nandito ang profile. Okay? Dito nyo pwedeng palitan yung picture nyo. Then, description. Okay? Then, save mo lang, closed. Okay. So, nandito yung mga details, no? Ng name nyo.
Sir,
Yes po.
iba yata yung naka-share screen.
Ay ba? Teka. Okay.
Yung PowerPoint
Yan.
pa rin.
Okay na po?
Yes po.
Okay, pasensya na, no? Siguro nag-lag lang, no? Okay, balik ulit ako. After nyong ma-input yung username or email nyo at password at nag-send kayo, ito yung lalabas sa screen nyo. So, ito yung pinaka-landing page nyo. So, nakikita nyo to, yung landing page, yung merong welcome na hello. Hello, nakikita po ba ito?
Yes po.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, sige, thank you. So, dito sa part na to, sa left side, makikita nyo ang menu. So, dito nyo makikita ang profile. Profile, dito nyo pwedeng palitan yung picture nyo. Okay? Pwede rin kayo dito magpalit ng password nyo. Okay? Sa baba niya, makikita nyo ang details. So, name nyo, ang access nyo as student, then contact number, then yung email address, then syempre, kung anong branch kayo. So, Mega Review, Manila branch. Kung sa Cebu, Manila Mega Review, Cebu branch. And then, meron din tayong sa Baguio. Okay? Then sa baba, nilagay na rin namin dito yung Discord. Kasi may mga technical issues daw na nagkaroon ng problema sa Discord, no? So, ito, sinolusyonan na namin. Nandiyan na sa profile page nyo. I-click nyo na lang. Then, provide nyo lang yung mga details. Makaka-join na kayo direct sa mga Discords nyo. Okay? Next. Andito naman yung next, yung course. So, dito nyo na makikita yung mga uploaded video tutorial. So, kiklik nyo lang yung course. Yan. So, makikita nyo na dito, Civil Engineering, June 2024 to November 2024. Okay? Then, view more para ma-access natin. Okay. Then, makikita natin dito yung program category natin. Meron tayong tinatawag na Comprehensive Review Program. Okay? Then, Refresher Program. Okay? Then, proceed na ako sa Comprehensive Review program. Click ko lang yung learn. Okay. Now, nandito na po tayo sa loob ng topic category. So, comprehensive review program. So, dito nyo na makikita ang mga topic ng inyong review. So, nandiyan ang mathematics, surveying, basic structural engineering and construction, hydraulics, and geotechnical engineering. Okay. So, proceed na ako. So, dahil lang first module nyo is mathematics, so sa mathematics tayo. Click lang natin yung learn. Okay. So, nasa loob na tayo ng module ng mathematics. So, sa baba niya, makikita nyo yung mga sub-modules. So, nandiyan yung algebra, trigonometry, plane and solid, and so on. Okay. Since na ang first module nyo is algebra, proceed tayo ngayon sa algebra. Click nyo lang yung algebra. Okay. Once na-click nyo, makikita nyo kung sino yung reviewers. Okay. Ibig sabihin kung sino yung lecturer na nasa video. Okay. So kagaya dito, si Engineer Julius V. Macalinaw and si Engineer Paul L. Ledesma. Okay. Then makikita nyo rin ang description ng mga modules na ituturo nila. Okay. Then start. Click nyo lang yung start. Okay? Yan. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa sub-module. Dito nyo makikita lahat ng sub-module under algebra. Okay? So ito yung nabanggit kanina ni ma'am na mapapa-familiarize kayo sa mga lecturers kasi naka-upload din yung mga pictures nila, no? Then siyempre yung subject na ituturo. Okay? So, proceed ako dito. So, ito yung first subject natin, set theory. Click ko lang siya. Learn now. Okay? Okay. So, nag-upload lang ako ng sample video. Okay? Kasi wala pa naman kaming no? Hindi ko pa nilalagay talaga yung video dito. So, i-click mo lang naman yung play. Parang YouTube lang. Okay? So, yan. So, stop ko na siya. Then, next. Dito nyo makikita yung pinaka-image uploaded. Kung ano yung topic na yun. Halimbawa, set theory, makikita nyo yung pinaka-module. Okay? Next, after ng video, syempre, itetest nyo na yung natutunan nyo. Proceed tayo sa baba. Then, ito yung module exercises panel. So, makikita nyo, take exam. Okay? So, click nyo lang yung take exam. Okay. So, bibigyan kayo ng konting details. So, kagaya nito, ang total question is 3, ang passing is score. Okay? So, lahat naman ng ito is pwedeng baguhin ng lecturer. Okay? Then, meron din tayong time, duration, no? Merong unlimited at meron ding may timer. So, para matest kung gaano kayo kabilis sumagot. Okay? Then, start exam. Okay? So, dito nyo na makikita yung mga questions. Sasagutan nyo. So, sagutan natin to. Okay? So, pili lang ako ng answer. Letter A. Then, next. Question number 2. Okay? Plus 4. 8. Then next. Then last question, plus 1, 2. Then submit exam. Okay. Sa part na to, pag click nyo ng submit exam, makikita nyo na kagad yung result na. Kung pass ba, ilang percent, ilang minutes. Okay. So, i-click ko yung submit exam. So, tanungin niya ako, finish examination. Yes, save ko. Okay. Exam successfully submitted. Okay. So, ayan. So, makikita nyo sa taas, nandito yung score, percentage, then yung time. Kung ilang minuto siya tinik or seconds, no? Now, halimbawa, gusto nyo makita yung tamang sagot. Kagaya neto, ng number 1, mali yung sagot ko, 16. Ang tama pala, 17. Makikita nyo dito yung solution. But for this example, hindi ko nalagyan to. So ito lang gagawin ko example ha. 4 plus 4, so ang sagot ko is 8. So correct naman ako, pero pwede ko pa rin makita yung solution. Okay, click ko lang yung solution. So ayan siya. So okay, sample lang to. Again, this is sample. So dito ang makikita nyo, yung solution na talaga ng questions. Okay? And after that, close mo lang. Okay. Then, close. Now, halimbawa, madami ka nang naging exercises. Meron kang gustong balikan na date kung kailan ka nag-exam. Pwede rin yun. Meron tayong history. Punta ka lang sa view results. So, nandito lahat ng exercises na tinake mo. Okay, take note, yung module exam and the weekly exam is ganito rin po. So, may date siya. Kagaya ngayon, May 28, nag-take tayo ng exercises. So, ayan yung pinaka buong niya, result. So, nag-take tayo ng mathematics, anong module, algebra, anong submodule, set theory. So, ilang item yung tinake natin, ano yung passing score, ano yung naging score natin, then syempre yung percentage at ilang minuto. Syempre, ilalagay yung status, then lastly, to view answer. Okay? Ayan yun. Then, i-close nila. Okay? Okay. Now, punta naman ako dito sa exam. Click ko lang yung exam. So, dito makikita nyo lahat ng topics na merong na naka-upload na exams. Okay? Module exercises, module, and weekly. So, yan. Makikita nyo rin dito. Okay? Okay. Okay, ma'am. I think yung lahat ng sa part na yon, pwede na po siguro sa questions. Question and answer.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sir Michael, no? Well, do you have something to clarify? The floor is yours. Our website developer is more than willing to satisfy you. I was listening a while ago. I can follow the steps. Very simple for me if I am the reviewee now, no? But still, if you want some clarify, pwede naman. Do you have something to clarify abang nandito anak ang ating website developer? Hello? Please unmute naman. Magandang hapon. Are you with us? Yes, Janine, ikaw ba yon? Are you raising your hand? If you want, anak, no, you can directly unmute, no? Yes, Engineer Manlapas, you're raising your hand, anak, no?
Hello po, good evening po sa inyo.
Yes.
May concern po kasi ako sa pag-login sa website since kahapon po. Kasi po,
Sige.
sinunod ko naman po yung na-discuss din po kanina. And according po dun sa nakita ko, iba po yung lumalabas na interface kapag po dun po sa pag-verify na ng email po. Ang nakalagay po, imbes na change password is set password. Then, after po nun is, sinave ko naman po yung password. Then, pumunta po ako dun sa website ng Mega Review and nag-try po ako nag-login. And, hindi po ako makapasok. Yung buong screen po is white lang and ilang beses ko na rin po ni-refresh. And, kanina po, nag-ask din po ako kahapon kasi dun sa technical support po sa FB page po. Sabi po, i-clear ko daw po yung cache ng browser ko. And kinlear ko naman po. Then, nag-try po ulit ako mag-login. And, ang next naman po na lumitaw is sabi, username and email not yet verified. Then, nagtaka po ako kasi nag-verify, nag-ano na po ako last kahapon po. Then, tinry ko naman po ulit na mag-verify kanina. And ayaw pa din pong tanggapin yung email and di po ako mapasok sa website.
Okay, so that is the problem of Engineer Manlapas.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay, at saan kaya tayo nagka-problema doon, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, so ganito kasi yung mga possible na maging problem, no? Kung nag-white screen yan, isa sa mga problema dyan, hindi mo pa siya na-verify, no? Kaso since nabanggit mo, na-verify mo siya, so mariresolve naman natin yan. So until now, I think hindi ka pa yata naka-join, no? So ganito ang gagawin natin, ibibigay mo lang sa akin yung sa technical natin, sisend mo lang naman yung complete name mo, school, tsaka yung screenshot nung error mo. Mostly kasi pag white screen, ibig sabihin nun, hindi ka pa namin nabe-verify. Then upon checking naman kasi, meron din kasi sa namin, panel, once na ma-verify mo, mawawala ka dun sa list namin. I think kahapon, na-send na sa amin yan, so na-resolve na, but yun nga, nangyari ngayon, parang hindi pa. So, ganon, paki-send mo lang sa akin yung complete name, school, then yung screenshot para maano natin, no, ma-address kagad natin ngayon mismo yan, no? Okay? Kasi yun lang naman ang naging cause ng white screen once na hindi mo na-verify. And makikita kasi namin sa namin, sa account namin, kung na-verify mo na or hindi. Okay? Then in addition, yung clear yung cache, kasi since nabago yung website, kahit ano naman pasukin yung website, basta bago sa browser mo, talagang hindi niya kagad yan papasukin. So, meron din kami pinapagawa dyan. Kaso, I think nagawa mo naman na siya dahil clear ka naman ng cache. So, ganun na lang, engineer, pakisend sa akin yung complete name, school, at saka yung screenshot niya para ma-resolve kagad namin. Okay?
Okay po,
Thank you.
may email po ba kung saan ko po isa-send?
So, meron na tayong Facebook na mga group technical for online, no? Meron tayo doon. So, nandun na rin sa link mo yon sa sa email mo. Paki-click mo na lang doon, send mo. Okay?
Sige po. Thank you so much.
Okay, salamat.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Engineer Manlapas. Thank you, anak, no, for that very valid clarification. Bakit naging ganon? Thank you. Anything else? Sino pa po? Are you raising your hand, Engineer Nur, how will I say it? Engineer Ahadin na lang? Are you raising your hand po?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Who else, anak, no? Please take this opportunity habang nandito yung ating technical person. Because if you're going to ask me this thing, I cannot really resolve the issue, no? Kaya ngayon na, habang nandito yung ating technical person.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Kung halimbawa na sila, na nahiyang mag-question, pwede nyo kagad i-send kagad after ng halimbawa, after nitong meeting natin, sa inyo kagad yung concern nyo. Yun lang ang requirements na kailangan ko, isi-send sa akin yung complete name, school, then yung screenshot nung naging issue nung nyo, pag-login nyo.
Yes, just for clarification, Sir Kel,
Opo.
saan po nila directly send? Doon sa Mega Review Online Technical Support?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so please take note of that, no? Para just in case lang, meron kayong technical concerns, please do so. So, yung details nyo, yung request niya, name, full name, and so on. Tapos, kung anong naging problema, i-screenshot nyo para ma-resolve agad. Okay? Kailangan magawa na agad ng paraan yan. What about this, no? From our chat box. Hello, ma'am. Ask ko lang po, mali po yung name ko sa profile ko sa website po. Paano po yun ma-edit? Ayun.
Okay. Sige
Sige,
po.
sir.
Okay, sige, pakisend mo na lang sa akin para ma-edit namin kaagad ngayon.
Okay. So, isend mo na sa Mega Review Online Technical Support para maayos na agad. Any other concerns? Siguro, para hindi na tayo ahaba, Sir Kel,
Yes po,
The
ma'am.
same, I will tell them the same statement coming from you. Just in case you have technical concerns, feel free to send or chat in our Mega Review online technical support para mabigyan na anak ng solusyon agad. Okay? Huwag
Yes
natin
po, ma'am.
patagalin. And this is the reason why we have our Mega Review online technical support. As you know, ang website natin bago, kaya tinitingnan pa nila kung ano yung ibang problema. Okay? At ano yung isa kanina, nak? Hindi ko nakita. Okay, Master Julian pala.
Hello, ma'am. Good,
Ayun.
ay, good
Yes.
evening.
Yes, Master Julian, are you there? Ikaw ba yan, anak? Magandang gabi.
Good evening po, ma'am. Yes po.
Yes, yes.
Ayan, may sinend lang po ako dun sa ma'am, sa chat box para madali po nilang ma-reach out si Circle regarding dun sa concerns about sa website.
Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for that, Sir Julian, no? Okay. What matters here, anak, is reporting the problem on time so that the solution is also on time. Okay lang? Good evening, ma'am. Do we have a class tomorrow or module exam? Okay. Ito na po, no? Ayan. So wala na tayo sa technical matters, no? Our formal review will start tomorrow. Okay? So we're going to have our first review module tomorrow, 8 to 10, roughly will be Algebra Part 1. And then Part 2, ayan. Part 2 will be Algebra 2. Live discussion, therefore, expect we're going to send, Ma'am Bell, I would like you to react on this. Is it okay that we're going to send the Zoom link in their email na lang? We are not going to post the Zoom link anymore in the FB group. We will just send through their email. Ano po ba, Ma'am Bell?
Yes po, ma'am. Yun na lang po, ma'am.
Okay. So, makikinig ulit, anak, ha? We're going to send the Zoom link every review module discussion live in your email. We will not post the Zoom link in your FB group online. So the Zoom link will be sent directly to your email. I hope that is very clear to everyone. Sa bawat review module live discussion natin. Okay? Normally speaking, sabi ko MWF 8 to 10, then konting lang break, roughly hanggang 12. So roughly 8 to 12 for part 1 and part 2. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We're going to post the schedule in your FB group online so that you will be guided accordingly. And for those who are preparing in advance, na alam nila yung topic maganda. So just in case mayroong minor change, just in case lang, you will be informed in your FB group online. Okay? Ano yun, anak? Can you chat it again? Na-miss ko. Sino po ba yun? Yung nag-chat kanina? Ma'am Bell, can you go over with our chat box, anak, no? Meron ba
Ayan.
naman?
Meron pong tanong dito pero sinagot na ata ni Sir Julian. Basahin ko na lang po. About sa module exam po, one time lang po ba pwedeng mag-take? Ayun na nga, only take po. Anytime you can take the module exam. May follow-up question dito. Only take po ba lahat, sir? Yes, yung mga module exam po natin, only take.
Yes, clarification lang. Sa assessment exam natin na wherein we're going to use the apps test portal, hindi po only yun. Kung ano yung date ng assessment exam na ibibigay sa test portal, yun lang po ang date nyo and the time. Pero, nagbibigay kami ng consideration. Normally, nagsiset kami ng oras na more than 24 hours. Tama ba ako, Ma'am Bell?
Yes po,
Sa
ma'am.
test portal natin? Para for within 24 hours kung saan ka libre na mag-take ng exam, pwede kang pumasok. Kaya lang, kung 3 oras yung exam mo, once you start the exam, halimbawa, 9:00 ng gabi ka nag-start. So, kung ang duration ng exam is only 3 hours, so 12 midnight, mako-close na yun sa'yo, masasubmit na kasi ang duration lang ay 3 hours. Okay? So, ang ginagawa namin, kahit na 3 oras lang, na ino-open namin yung exam, ay 24 hours. Kung saan ka libre, doon ka mag-exam. Okay, kaya lang, after that, wala na yung exam. So, hindi siya only. For the assessment exam, any exam given in our test portal, like assessment exam and our master exam, and the pre-board, kung ano po ang duration doon, yon. Kung ano yung date, masusunod po yon. So, halimbawa, kung ano yung date na yon, good for 24 hours, hanggang doon lang. Hindi po siya only na available anytime. That is good only for our test portal, but exams given in the website, you can take it anytime. Tama ba ako doon, Ma'am Bel?
Yes po, ma'am.
Our module exams, including the, let us count, module exercises, module exam, and weekly exam.
Yes po, ma'am. Yung pong
Okay.
mga exam na nasa website, yun po yung only.
Okay. Yung test po sa assessment exam,
Meron-
can you go over with that, Ma'am Bel?
Yes po, ma'am. Meron, yung test po sa assessment, meron po bang copy para po malaman kung saan kami nagkamali?
Well, actually, nakukuha naman nila yung kopya doon, di ba? Tapos, as far as I know, ginugroup study, anak yun.
Yes po.
Your assessment exam, yan po ay ginugroup study. So, pag nag-group study, pinapakita nila ulit yung problem. And then, makikita mo kung saan ka nagkamali. But we are not giving directly the copy to you so that you join the group study. Okay? We are not providing solution for assessment exam copy and solution of the assessment exam directly. Okay? Unlike in the website, nagpo-provide kami because nag-group study tayo, dinidiscuss po yung assessment exam. So if you want to see kung ano yung tamang sagot, saan ka nagkamali, then join our live group study via Zoom. Okay? Yung nagtanong anak, I hope you were enlightened.
Klaro naman po, ma'am. Yung may question po dito, ma'am, mag-a-upload po ba ng mga PDF modules po sa site or saan po ibibigay? I think sa Facebook group pa din, ma'am, no? Yung
Yes,
uploading ng
yes.
ating group.
I said that in my orientation. Kung bukas, meron tayong 8 o'clock na live, ang sabi ko maganda while listening to the live discussion, meron kayong hard copy na hawak, kahit na sinusulat ng reviewer yung problem, then nag-upload po kami sa FB group. So you download in your FB group and find a way how to secure your hard copy before listening to the live discussion. So FB group po ang uploading, i-download nyo doon. Okay? What else, Ma'am Bel?
Meron pa po dito, ma'am. Ask ko lang po about sa schedule ng topics. Tatapusin po ba muna yung buong MSTA topics bago mag-proceed sa
Yes, I think
or-
I failed to emphasize that in my orientation, Ma'am Bel. The
Yes,
flow
mahina daw.
of our review module discussion will be Board Subject 1, tatapusin muna lahat ang topic sa Board Subject 1. And then, ang susunod ay hindi Board Subject 2. Ang kasunod ng Board Subject 1 in our review is Board Subject 3. So we go directly to Principles of Structural Analysis and Design. Ayan. For what reason? Tanggapin natin, anak, no? Marami tayong kino-cover sa structural engineering, marami tayong topics na dinidiscuss sa structural design. Now, kung unay natin yung pagbibigay ng review modules sa Board Subject 3 PSAD, you have ample time, okay, na makita nyo yung kahinaan nyo doon. Kasi tanggapin natin, medyo mahirap itong topic na to sa board exam. So to give you ample time to see your weaknesses and strengthen your weaknesses through our reinforcement, through our group study, mahaba yung oras na gagamitin natin sa board subject 3. And then lastly, ang itatackle natin sa ating review ay board subject 2. Ang flow natin sa board subject 3 ay basic structural engineering muna, mechanics, strength of materials, theory of structures, tsaka tayo pupunta sa mga design subjects. Tapusin muna lahat yon bago tayo pupunta sa last, okay, board subject. And ito yung hydraulics and geotechnical engineering. Okay? So, I think klaro na yon, no?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes. Anything else, Ma'am Bell?
May ano po dito, ma'am, message na hindi pa po daw siya nakakatanggap ng invitation po.
Well,
Pa-clarify lang, Miss Sherafida, kung sa website ba to.
kung hindi ka nakatanggap ng invitation, anak, bakit nandito ka sa FB group natin ngayon?
Chinek ko po yung account niya, ma'am, sa sinend niyo pong Excel. Ando naman po yung email niya. Kaya po siya nandito sa Zoom.
Pero wala pa siyang natanggap na
Baka sa website po, ma'am.
sa website. Well, sabi nga ng ating website developer, pwede ba anak ilagay mo? But meron ka na bang natanggap na link para sa Mega Review Online Technical Support?
Hello po. Good evening po. Wala pa po.
Wala
Ever
pa.
since po.
So, antayin mo anak, baka siguro kunin na rin natin, no? Mag-send ka na rin, okay, sa amin. Pwede naman kung wala ka pang Mega Review Online Technical Support, pwede kang mag-send na lang sa amin, anak, sa page account kung saan ka nag-enroll para ibigay namin sa ating website developer. Maayos ka na, anak, agad. Okay lang?
Sige po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you also para maayos natin, anak, lahat ng problema. Huwag nating patagalin kasi online ito, dapat lahat kayo ay nandun. O yun, sabi ni Master Julian, baka anak nag-send sila sa email mo na sa spam. Can you double check muna, anak, bago ka mag-submit ulit sa amin?
Hello, ma'am.
Share of Ina. Yes, Sir Michael?
Ma'am, upon checking sa details ni Sherafida J. Sabturani from
Opo.
University of Zamboanga, ma'am, nakapag-send na po tayo. As of now, ang verification niya not yet verified. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa po niya ito binubuksan.
Okay, there is already an answer, Share of Ida. Can you go over, anak? Okay? Checkin mo yung spam mo.
Yes po, ma'am.
Nasend na, anak, sa email mo, you double check sa spam mo. Tinignan lang ngayon nila mismo. Hello? Sherafida? Nakuha mo ba?
Opo, opo. Thank you po.
Checkin mo, anak, sa spam mo. Nakapag-send na daw, ha? Okay. So, ganyan ang mabilis na solusyon para bukas masaya tayo. Anak, are you excited for your day 1 tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening po, ma'am, about ano ka, Ma'am Bell? Nawala
Yes po, ma'am.
yun? Oo.
Siguro ito muna, ma'am, si Junifer. Yung
Opo.
i-clarify ko lang ha, hindi po kami magpo-provide ng hard copy po sa live lecture. Soft copy lang po, ipo-post po sa Facebook group po natin. Uploaded po yan before the live lecture. So, siguro most probably mga 7 a.m. And then,
i-download nila.
yes po. Teka po muna. Okay. May question dito, ma'am. Siguro late po siya, ma'am, or di ako sure. Kailan po ba daw ma-upload yung recorded lecture sa website? Yung after po ng live.
After ng live, ayusin lang. Okay? Siguro within that day, kung kaya namin, ilalagay na, anak, sa website. Ayusin lang kasi yung recorded lecture video. Okay?
Yes po, ma'am. Good evening po. About po situation namin nakasali sa face-to-face classes. Ay, teka muna.
Hindi ka kasali sa grupo ngayon, face to face ka, online ito. Bakit ka nandito sa grupo na to? Face to face ka.
Ako may mention well.
Mali lang po akong basa, ma'am. Ato po, ma'am. Good evening po. May direct link po ba sa website? Kasi pag pumunta ako sa invitation link, hindi nagre-redirect sa website po. Ha? Siguro si Sir Michael
Hindi ko masagot, anak, Sir Michael.
Yes po. Sige, pasend sa akin nung complete name ulit, email address at saka yung screenshot.
Sige, anak, i-send na lang. Kasi bagong website natin, kaya siyempre may lilitaw, pero masolusyonan agad yan.
Ma'am, may concern pa ulit ako dun sa kanina kay Engineer Sharafida.
Yes po.
Oo, ma'am, magkaiba kasi yung email niya rito. Kaya siguro wala siyang nare-receive. So, pasend na lang po nung talagang email address niya. Thank you po.
Okay. Engineer Sherafida. Ayan. Ito siguro ang ang magbibigay glory sa University of Zamboanga. Kasi masaya ang unang araw niya. Sige anak, yung email mo lang daw? Can you go over with your email anak daw? Anything else, Ma'am Bell, sa chat box natin, anak? Okay, well noted. John Daniel. Sige anak, well noted. Basta lahat ng magsisend kay Sir Kel ay gagawan nila agad ng action, anak yan. I assure you na action agad yan para magandang simula natin, anak, lahat bukas. Okay? Thank you din, anak. Thank you for raising your concern. Thank you. Okay na? So, lahat ng may problema, ulitin ko, paki-direct po sa Mega Review Online Technical Support o kaya yung binigay ni Sir Julian na diretso kay Sir Kel, ang ating website developer. At one thing sure, i-address nila, anak, lahat yung concerns ninyo. Okay? So, ako naman, as far as I am concerned, ang aking inorient sa inyo sa flow ng ating online review, mukhang wala naman kayong gustong itanong. Okay? Ako naman ang mag-call ng attention. Just in case po ay nagbayad na kayo ng full payment, kasama sa sinabi namin sa inyo, you are entitled to have 4 pre-books. Okay? Call our attention kasi nag-start na kami, anak, ng mag-send. Kumuha na dito yung JNT, nagsasend na po kami. Kung halimbawa, medyo 2 weeks or ano pa, hindi, call our attention agad, no? Para ayusin agad yung 4 na books. Pero, baka naman, meron kayong kulang na nakalimutan yung mag-send ng shipment fee. Kung Luzon tayo, ayan, ang shipment fee natin ay 300 pesos. Pag Visayas and Mindanao po tayo, 350 pesos. Baka full payment ka, hindi ka naman nakapag-send anak ng shipment fee, kaya hindi napapadala pa yung books mo. Calling your attention lang. Ngayon, kung nag-comply kayo, full payment kayo with the corresponding shipment fee, nagsisend na po kami, siguro after 2 weeks, hindi nyo pa na-receive, call our attention, anak, ha? Para hindi na ma-delay yung 4 na books mo. Okay? Calling your attention doon, ha? So, what else? Ganito lang, anak, ha? Siyempre, mag-start ang ating review. Along the way, meron tayong namimit na problema, concerns, whatsoever, na may relasyon sa ating online review. Please feel free na mag-chat kayo, anak, sa amin. Huwag kayong mahiya na ipaabot yung concerns nyo sa amin. I assure you, as the review president, ako pong mangunguna na magbibigay, okay, ng solusyon dyan to the best we can. Kasi ang sabi natin, enrollment nyo sa Mega Review means license. Kaya, andito tayo, lahat tayo, excited tayo sa pag-start bukas. Kaya lang, i-remind ko rin kayo. Based on our experience, ang ganda talaga, no, ng attendance kapag first week, second week, third week, ang ganda. Pero habang tumatagal ay medyo may nawawala. Okay? Siguro kung mawala man kayo sa live discussion, may valid reason kayo, you still have the chance to view that particular lecture video in our website. So, ang sasabihin ko muli, don't fail. Don't miss the opportunity of viewing your missed lecture video in our website. Ang sabi natin, sa Mega Review, magtutulungan tayo. Kaya dapat kung excited kayo sa day 1, all throughout yung excitement na yon ay hindi mawawala. Ang sabi natin sa Mega Review, sundin nyo lang ang amin dinesign na online review program para sa inyo. Napakaganda ng aming review program talaga. Kung susundin nyo lang. In fact, meron na po kami talagang record dyan na hindi pwedeng pantayan. Yung November 2021, na-measure lahat yung online platform ng lahat ng review centers. Kami lang po ang nakadeliver ng 17 out of 24 top-notchers sa online na yon. Kasi that time, puro online lang, walang face-to-face. So that record shows na talagang ganun. Okay? Katindi yung aming online. No? And hindi pa, siyempre nag-umpisa pa lang noon. Mas marami pa yung amin dinagdag na improvements. Continuously, we are improving. Di, dapat 100% tayo ngayon sa ating online, okay? Review program enrollees or reviewees, right? Kaya ang gusto lang namin sa Mega Review, makinig mabuti sa pagdidiscuss ng bawat reviewer. Huwag mahiyang magtanong sa mga reviewers na mamimit nyo kasi po mas masaya ang mga reviewers kapag kayo ay nagtatanong. Ang ayaw ng Mega Review ay ikaw ay great pretender. Yes ka ng yes kahit hindi mo naintindihan. Anak, walang nakakaya sa pagtatanong. Kaya magtanong kayo para maganda yung flow nyo sa review. Hindi kayo maraming habulin. Halimbawa, sa tingin mo nakakaya yung tanong mo, grade 1 sa iba, baka nahiya ka, huwag mo silang pansinin. What is important is yung ikaw na masatisfy ka na at the end of every review module discussion dapat hindi ka puzzled. Lahat ng nasa isip mo na dapat matutunan mo o dapat ay naitanong mo ay naibigay mo. Dapat meron kang satisfaction. Kaya bawal po ang mahiya-hiya ba? Okay? So, nagkakaintindihan ba tayo doon? So, ang gusto lang namin, ipaabot nyo sa amin lahat ng concerns nyo at one thing sure na kami po ay magre-respond positively. Kasi ang ating kontrata sa enrollment nyo ay hindi yung binayad nyo sa Mega Review. Ang kontrata natin dito, anak, ay by the time you take your real board exam, surely you get your license. Kaya continuously, Mega Review ay ini-improve pa niya ang well-balanced quality review program. Naghahanap pa rin kami ng paraan kung paano kami makatulong to the maximum kahit sino ka pang reviewee. Lalo na yung may kaba sa dibdib na baka hindi niya alam yung topic, nahiya siya or whatever reason you have. Okay? We stay as one family. Kaya kung pamilya tayo, huwag mahiya. Yan po ang review environment sa Mega Review. Kaya ipaalam nyo sa amin. Mag-chat kayo, huwag anak matatakot, huwag mahiya kasi mas masaya ang Mega Review kung kayo ay nagpaparandam, kung kayo ay nagtatanong kasi sa pagtatanong nyo, ang paniniwala namin ay nakafocus kayo, may interest kayo kasi tinatanong nyo ang hindi nyo alam. Okay? So, bawat group study ay a-attend din tayo. Ayan.
May question
Well,
po
by the way, for those who came late, naka FB live streaming po ito. Kaya po ipapalagay natin ito sa FB group online nyo. Okay lang po ba? Naka-record po ito kasi automatic ay naka FB live streaming. Kaya hindi po namin i-delete agad ito. Ilalagay po namin itong orientation na to sa ating FB group online para from the very start makita nyo. Okay? Well, ang tanong niya dito, Ma'am Bel, kung malalaman, as I told you, every week, we will do our best to post the review schedule every week so that you will be guided. But we will never post one-time posting for the schedule, for the whole, okay, online review program. What we're going to post is the schedule for the week. Okay? Wala po kami po-post na isahan. Ayan. Okay lang? Nung nagtanong kanina. Okay, thank you anak, no? Kasi mas maganda mag-guide ka anak every week, ha? Okay, so I think wala na po ba, Ma'am Bel? Kung wala na, pwede nating end or Sir Joseph, would you like to say something or what? Wala na?
Ikaw, wala.
Hindi, you can sir. Kasi a few minutes lang, our national marketing head wants to share something with you to welcome you and at the same time to give you, pieces of advice on how to answer your objective that makuha nyo talaga ang tamang preparasyon and you get your license on time. Sir Sep, you can take my place.
Ayun. Good evening. Anong tawag ko ngayon sa inyo because you are now a part of family of Mega Review. Brothers. Okay? Future engineers, brothers, o ano man. Nasa loob na po kayo ng bahay ni Mega Review. So, ibig sabihin, you have to follow the rules. No? Ibig sabihin kung anong review program mayroon tayo. At sinabi ni ma'am kanina, dapat you have to follow. Yun lang po. Okay? Anong ibig sabihin nun? Sundin natin lahat kasi para mapagaan ang inyong preparation for your board exam. No, marami pang pagsasama tayo. Kahit ito, this is an online review. No, pero tandaan niyo po to, para na rin tayong nasa face-to-face. Bakit? Kasi you are guided by our full-time reviewers. Okay? Siyempre, pamilya nga eh. Anong ibig sabihin? Dapat namomonitor kayo. Okay? Anong ibig sabihin? Ulitin ko, kahit po online po ito, we are family. Kaya wag po kayong mahiya magtanong. Kasi andyan naman, di ba, nakapasok na kayo sa FB group. Mayroon tayong Discord channel. So ngayon, kung may mga problema kayo, no, direct po tayo sa Mega Review Online Technical Support. No, wag po kayo munang pumunta dun sa Messenger, sa page, kasi tapos na po ang rules nyo. Okay po ba? Kung ibig sabihin, may technical problem, doon po kayo, wag po kayo magtanong doon kasi ang Messenger, yung page po, para po yung sa mga nag-inquire at saka nag-i-enroll. Okay? Kasi so far, ang dami talaga. No, ulitin ko po, no, online, andito na po kayo, nagtiwala po kayo, ibigay yung tiwala because we are family. Kakampi po namin kayo, kakampi nyo ang Mega Review. Kahit ano man mangyari, wala pong ibang tutulong sa inyo, kundi tayo mismo magtutulungan para sa board exam mo. Isipin nyo, andito kayo sa Mega Review for your license. Okay? Sabi nga ni ma'am kanina, di ba? Napakaganda ng ating online review program. Bakit? Kasi syempre, the first CE board exam naman, di ba? During pandemic. And the preparation, lahat po doon is what? Online. So wala pong nakapag-ano po, no? Sa Mega Review. Kasi napakaganda ng review program. Pilit sinisiraan, no? Siniraan kung ano ng mga kaalaban natin, pero nananatiling strong ang Mega Review. Bakit? Nandito na po tayo. Ang ibig sabihin nun, ang isang puno habang sama-sama tayo, lalo yang titibay. Bakit? Strong family tayo. Bakit? Magkakampi tayo. Bakit? Sama-sama tayo, hindi po kayo papabayaan ng Mega Review hanggang sa dulo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, no, andito po kayo, welcome to Mega Review Mula bukas, enjoy, focus, no, doon sa ating review program. Yun lang gagawin nyo. Napakadali ng board exam. Tandaan nyo to. Pag nasa mega review ka, lahat po kayo, you are qualified to top the board exam. No, hindi na po tayo pwedeng magyabang dito. Nakikita naman sa social media kung ano ang performance sa mega review. Sa ngalan ng top notchers, sa ngalan ng passing percentage, ibig sabihin, kayo po lahat nandito sa mega review, you are qualified to top the board exam. So, maraming salamat. No, marami pa tayong pag-uusapan dito dahil mahaba pa ang ating pagsasama. Okay? God bless mga future engineers.
Thank you. Thank you. That
Oh,
was
yes.
our
So, yes, Ma'am Bel, go ahead, please.
Yes po, ma'am. That was our National Marketing Head, Sir Joseph Floresta, isa sa mga big support, 'di ba? Big supporter dito sa Mega Review and Tutorial Center.
Of
Yes
course.
po, ma'am. Do you have anything, ma'am?
Wala na siguro. Magpaalam na lang ako and then you close the program, anak, later, no?
Yes
So,
po, ma'am.
thank you so much, anak, no, for attending this orientation. As I made mention a while ago, feel free to chat us for other concerns. What we want is you focus, you have the right path in your review journey. So, magtulungan tayo. And thank you so much for giving your full trust to our review center. And this is Mega Review and Tutorial Center. And I'm telling you, for that trust, ang isusukli namin to the best we can. Ayan, sabi nga natin, never deviate in our review program because enrollment in our review center means license. So, again, maraming salamat sa tiwala at talagang kami ang pinili nyo na maging kapartner nyo sa pagkuha ng lisensya nyo. So, andito lang kami palagi, magparamdam kayo. Well, of course, I would like to say thank you to my co-reviewers. Nakikita ko dito, no? Si Sir Michael Bruce, Sir Paul, of course, yung iba nandito lang, no? Si Sir Francis, Sir Melvin, Sir Janro. Sino pa po ba? Ang di ko, Master Julian. Yes, thank you so much, Sir Jay, kanina, no? Nakita din natin. Thank you so much. And of course, to the voice of Mega Review. Ayan, ang ganda ng boses. So, Ma'am Bel, maraming salamat, anak. So, salamat din po, Sir Joseph. Ayan, well, of course, salamat din sa mga nag-design na maganda. Kung nakikita yung layout namin, anak, napakaganda because of our graphic artist, no? Yung designer namin, Sir TJ. Thank you so much for joining. At syempre, maraming salamat sa ating website developer, Sir Michael. Thank you so much for your time and presentation. And expect na maraming magchat-chat pa sa inyo, sir. At syempre, sasagutin agad ni Sir Rian. Maraming salamat po, Sir Michael, for joining us, okay, in tonight's meeting. So, you have the floor, Ma'am Bel, and see you, okay, soon again, no, sa virtual, anak. Basta, kasama niyo ako palagi. Thank you so much, bye-bye. So, Ma'am Bel, you have the floor again to close
Yes, ma'am.
to close the program, anak.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. That was our review president, Dr. Emilia T. Marquez. Once again, everyone, our future civil engineers, thank you so much for participating for our online orientation. See you tomorrow. Good luck sa inyong first ever review module. So, matulog kayong maaga, no? Para magising din kayong maaga. Bye!